Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is Kaushalya Raj Purohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to complete our chapter 7, Game Addiction. So are you all ready? So do you know what are the ill effects of playing games so much or when you have addiction? So let us see the story of two brothers which have been beautifully written in a form of poem by the writer, the poet. So let us see what it is. So let us start the poem. Two brothers, so have you all opened your books? Two brothers with funny names got addicted to video games. Hooked to the screen day and night, they become a horrid sight. So there are two brothers who have funny names, right? They have funny names and they are addicted to video games. They have addiction of video games. Hooked to the screen, they are hooked. They are just sitting at the screen all the time, and this sight is really horrible for all others, right? Because when someone see a child who is always addicted to games and he's day and night he's sitting and only playing games, so will anyone like? No. So it is a horrid sight, it is a horrible sight. Now homework went incomplete as they preferred to compete. In the game downloaded a day before, they were on the level 4. So what they are saying, what the poet is saying, that the homework is now incomplete, right? Because they are busy in playing games, and then what they say, time ही नहीं है, homework इतना है, मैम time नहीं मिला. But the boys were busy in playing games and they prefer to compete. See, they have two options. One was that to play game and compete with each other. See, they both were playing, so they were competing with each other, and the second was do the homework. So out of the two things, what they preferred, उन्होंने क्या सोचा कि what they should do? They prefer to compete with each other. Let us play this game, let us complete this game first, and then we'll do homework. And the homework is incomplete. So this is what they are doing every day. So homework went incomplete as they prefer to compete. In the game downloaded a day before. See, the game which was downloaded just a day before, they were on level 4. So what does it means? That they were very good in playing and they were just playing and playing. So they were on level 4 of the game which was downloaded one day before. So they were continuously playing. Food they would not eat at all. So even they were not eating the food, right? Because they would stop game after all. That means that would stop the game after all. So they didn't wanted to go to have lunch or dinner, because if they stop or they go to have food, they need to stop their game, and they don't wanted to stop game because they were thinking that it is really interesting, and if I stop then I will just lose. So they are not ready to stop playing games. So see, this is what addiction is called. They are not even ready to stop. वो बिल्कुल रुकना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. सोचो कि two boys are playing and they don't even want to stop the game for the food. So food they would not eat at all. They were not even eating the food. That would stop the game after all. They cared not for the milkman's row. They would only imagine they were sure. That what's he saying? They cared not for the milkman's row. They had only imagined it they were sure. So what they even didn't care the milkman row. See, the two boys are alone at the home. Their mother is out of station. उनकी जो मम्मा है वो बाहर गई हुई है कहीं और, and they are both alone at home. And now if they are alone, now they are free birds, so they are playing continuously on their PlayStation, and they even not eating food because they don't want to stop the game. बिल्कुल वो अपना गेम स्टॉप नहीं करना चाहते, इसलिए खाना भी नहीं खा रहे हैं. And they care not for milkman's row. They even not caring of the milkman row. See, everyone you know that when milkman comes, he just roar, please take the milk or anything, या दूध ले लो, right? तो हम जाते हैं और मिल्क लेके आते हैं, बट वो उसको भी केयर नहीं कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ यू डोंट लिसन द मिल्कमैन विल गो. अगर हम नहीं सुनते 2-3 मिनट, ही विल स्टॉप और एल्स ही विल गो. सो दे आर इग्नोरिंग. वो क्या सोच रहे हैं कि वो इमेजिन कर रहे हैं. दे आर imagining it, right? So they are just ignoring the milkman's roar and they are thinking that they are imagining कि कोई आवाज आ रही है बाहर से, उनको ऐसा इमेजिनेशन हो रहा है, उनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि नहीं आवाज कोई नहीं, ऐसा लगा जैसे आवाज आ रही है पर आवाज नहीं आ रही. See so much they are deep in the game. The passion for the game did soar. और जो पैशन था उनका, जो गेम के लिए पैशन था वो सोर हो रहा था, इंक्रीज हो रहा था, कम नहीं हो रहा था. So they forgot to close the door. The passion for game did soar, so they forgot to close the door. Now the two boys are at home, they are alone at home, and what happens? They are playing in the game, they are so in the game that they even forget to close the door, the main door of their house. Then one night the burglars broke in and swept away each and everything. And see, if we don't lock our houses, then what is going to happen? Robbers are sure, right? Robbers will come. See, robbers, thieves, ये लोग होते हैं वो घर का ध्यान रखते हैं, जहाँ पर भी उनको चांस मिला they are just going to come, right? So that's why we just lock our houses every night. हम double lock करते हैं, check करती है मम्मा. तो ये जो boys है they are so, their passion for the game is increasing and they are playing and that they even forgot to close the door. उन्होंने अपना door close करना भी क्या कर दिया, forget कर दिया, भूल गए. And one night, और उस दिन क्या हो गया, जो thieves थे वो उनके घर में आ गए, swept away each and everything, और उन्होंने सब कुछ साफ कर दिया. thief आएंगे तो सब लेंगे. See, you can see the door is closed open and the robbers are just looking at their house. So while the boys were busy at it, at what they were busy? They were busy at playing games. The thief rolls the Kashmiri carpet. So they have a Kashmiri carpet. It is really costly, right? They just roll it to get it. And fill the valuables in the school bags. And the valuables, the costly things, right? जो उनके घर में valuables थी, जो costly thing थी, उन सबको उन्होंने उन बच्चों के स्कूल बैग्स में ही भर दिया thieves ने. And stuffed in the clothes and left the tags. और जो clothes थे उनके वो सारे भी उन्होंने stuff कर दिए, बैग में डाल दिए और उनके जो tags थे वो छोड़ दिए. Books, shells, Superman and AC. They took away whatever they could see. So everything they could see in the house, just they packed it to take it. After much consideration, they did not touch the PlayStation and they just thought कि PlayStation छोड़ देते, क्योंकि PlayStation ले लिया तो बच्चों को समझ में आएगा. So that is what the addiction is. Now the boys are knowing that they have thieves in a house, but they don't want, they are just ignoring, they have no care of their house. Thieves आ चुके हैं, thieves ने सब सामान ले लिया, उनके स्कूल बैग में valuable things उन्होंने स्टफ कर दी, क्लोथ ले लिए, AC ले लिया, बुक शेल्फ्स के सारे शेल्फ्स खाली कर दिए. इवन दो दे डोंट वांट टू लुक एट देम, दे जस्ट वांट टू प्ले द गेम. एंड आफ्टर मच कंसिडरेशन दे डिड नॉट टच द PlayStation. सो आफ्टर थिंकिंग दे जस्ट लेफ्ट द PlayStation. जो PlayStation था बच्चों का गेम था, उन्होंने उसे छोड़ दिया, बाकी सब दे जस्ट पैक्ड इट. Papers report the thieves did wait and the next day the news was out, है ना? न्यूज़पेपर में न्यूज़ आ गई रॉबरी की. इफ देर इज एनी रॉबरी इन आवर सिटी देन देर इज अ न्यूज़ इन द नेक्स्ट डे पेपर्स. तो नेक्स्ट डे पेपर्स में रिपोर्ट आ गई. द पेपर रिपोर्ट द थीव्स डिड वेट till the morning when they went to bath. और पेपर्स ने क्या रिपोर्ट दिया कि उन्होंने थीव्स रात को उन्होंने चोरी की और वो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग तक उनके घर में ही थे, बच्चों के घर में ही थे. Till the morning when they went to bath, till they even took bath at their home. See how careless these boys are, how addicted these boys are, that the two robbers are in their house and they have just taken everything. Even they have slept on their bed, they have taken bath in their bathrooms, had eggs and pasta in breakfast, and they have even made the breakfast. They made eggs and pasta in breakfast too. Didn't forget to use the loo. They even used the loo. They even used the toilet of their house. They even took the bath. They even made breakfast. They even eat it. लेकिन इन बच्चों को अभी भी कुछ भी नहीं पता चला है. The boys are playing, are busy in playing the game, and they just don't know what is happening in their house. And what do you think the brother has said? और इस सब कर रहे होंगे thieves, तो brothers ने क्या सोचा होगा? See, if thieves are moving here and there in my house, I'm going to know. So even they knew that now the thieves have came. While the thieves had slept in the bed, और जब thieves उनके बेड पे सोए थे, can you imagine? This is a really comedy scene. What is happening? Excuse me. Excuse me. Imagine there is a house, two boys are playing on the video game, and thieves have came, right? Thieves आए and they have just packed all the things, सब पैक कर दिया है, और they are sleeping on the bed. They are having breakfast, they are having bath, and the boys, what they are saying, just let us complete this game, then we'll call the police. So this is like a comedy scene. So and what do you think the brothers have said? While the thieves had slept in their bed, the thieves were even sleeping on their bed. Oh, wait till we finish our game, please. Then we shall call the police. So what they are saying, please wait till we finish our game and then we'll call the police. So this is what is addiction. This is, we can say, a pure madness, right? Because they don't care of anything, they just care of winning in the game, completing the level, right? तो वो क्या कहते हैं कि थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ, हम पुलिस को कॉल करेंगे till after we finish the game. So this is what they're thinking. The mother returned after some day. Now the boys, the thief हो गई है, robbery हो गई है. Now the mother had returned from the place or where she went and gazed at the apartment all amazed. And gazed at, उन्होंने apartment में देखा, सब उनको देख के amazed थे that what has happened in her house, right? When the mother came, all were just looking at her, seeing her boys glued to the screen, right? और उसने क्या देखा, उसके जो अपार्टमेंट था, उसका जो घर था, वहाँ पर उसने अमेज होके देखा कि everything is nothing in her house, right? When she went, the house was normal, but then what happened? Thief came, चोर आए और सब कुछ चुरा लिया, तो पूरा घर खाली हो चुका था. तो जब वो आई अपने अपार्टमेंट में, अपने घर में, then she saw that everything was changed, कुछ भी नहीं था. So she was amazed, वो surprise हो गई थी. Seeing her boys glued to the screen, उसने देखा glued, that means when something is pasted, right? So her boys were pasted on the screen, that means they were still sitting and playing in the games. She knew exactly why the loot had been. Loot, that means जो चोरी हुई थी वो क्यों हुई थी, उसको exactly पता चल गया, because of the addiction of the boys, that is addiction of game. She carried her sons to the doctor urgently, and now she thought, she was sure that these boys need a mental or they need a doctor's help, because the game has become addiction and they didn't even care of their house being robbed, right? उनका पूरा घर रॉब हो गया, उनके घर में चोरी हो गई, उनकी भी उनको केयर नहीं थी. उसके बाद भी what they are doing, they were playing game, turning a deaf ear to their endless plea, and their boys were requesting, please mama ये करने दो, ये गेम करने दो, फिर ले they were playing, they were urgent request वो दे रहे थे. लेकिन उसने क्या किया, she turned a deaf ear, right? मतलब उसने ignore किया what her boys were telling, and she took them to the doctor. Oh, wait till we finish our game, mother dear. We have still got the final round to clear. See what the boys, how can you just imagine the boys, can you imagine what this is extremeness, right? ये बिल्कुल extremeness है कि अभी भी बच्चे क्या कह रहे हैं, बॉयज क्या कह रहे हैं कि मम्मा हमको ये एक फाइनल राउंड कंप्लीट करने दो, ये हमारा फाइनल राउंड है, फिर हमको डॉक्टर के पास है. कैन यू इमेजिन? सो दिस इज written by Junaid Yana, and this is the story of two boys who have got addicted. So let us read the poem one more time so that we can just have enjoyed. Two brothers with funny names got addicted to video games, hooked to the screen day and night. They become a horrid sight. Now homework went incomplete, as they prefer to compete in the game downloaded a day before. They were on level 4. Food they would not eat at all. That would stop the game after all. They cared not for the milkman's row. They had only imagined if they were sure. The passion for the game did so they forget to close the door. Then one night the burglars broke in and swept away each and everything. So while the boys were busy at it, the thieves rolled the Kashmiri carpet filled the valuables in school bags, stuffed in the clothes and left the tag. Bookshelf, Superman, AC and AC, they took away whatever they could see. But after much consideration, they did not touch the PlayStation. Papers report the thieves did wait till the morning when they went to bar. Had eggs and pasta in breakfast too, did forget to use the loo. And what do you think the brothers had said while the thieves had left to their bed? Slept to their bed. Oh, wait till we finish our game, please, then we shall call the police. The mother returned after some days and gazed at the apartment all amazed. Seeing her boys glued to the screen, she knew exactly why the look had been. She carried her sons to the doctors urgently, turning a deaf ear to their endless plea. Oh, wait till we finish our game. Mother dear, we have still got the final run to clear. Junet. So this is the poem to show the problem, the today's problem, and this is a really great problem, and if we don't just look it at or we don't care of it, then this can become a great problem for our generation, because all the younger generation or the child, or it may be boy or girl, everyone are busy in playing game. They are wasting a lot of their time that they should use in reading books or learning new things, right? In olden times there were so many things they used to do, but now there is only the game addiction, and that is really bad for our future. So this is what the poem is stating, that we should be alert before we become like two brothers. So from today we are going to play games, but not often, right? We will just do it in one day, once in a day or twice in a day, right? Not that more than that, but not whole day, or even we should try to play the games, indoor games. There are so many interesting games that we can play, so please try to do that. Okay, so this is all for today. We are going to discuss the exercise in our next video. Thank you.